Before you can sign into Zoom on your Chromebook, you need to make sure that you have the Zoom app installed. If you come down to the launcher and go ahead and type Zoom, you should see it in this list here. If you don't, it means it is not yet installed. So what we need to do is install it from the web store. So I can type web store here and it should come up. And from here, I'm going to search for Zoom. And then I need to be very careful that I find the correct Zoom app. I'm not going to use any of these extensions here. Instead, I'm going to come over on the right. The left. I'm going to switch this to apps. And I'm going to look for this Zoom app here that is offered by Zoom. We want to make sure we're not trying to install some other third-party application, which won't work on your Chromebook anyway. So once we find the right one, we're going to go ahead and click on that. And we're going to say add to Chrome. It's going to ask me to approve these permissions. So I'm just going to go ahead and say add app. All right. And once it's downloaded, it should install automatically. And now we can close the web store and we can launch Zoom.